Good morning all of you. Now I am going to start some more questions based on your trigonometric ratios. Now see this question. It is given that if tan theta is equals to 1 upon root 7. So we have to prove that cosec square theta minus sec square theta upon cosec square theta plus sec square theta will be equal to 3 upon 4. So see how to start. First of all we will make here right angle triangle. Tan theta is perpendicular upon base, so 1 is perpendicular and root 7 will be your base. So by applying the Pythagoras theorem we can calculate the value of AC. So value of AC square will be equal to AB square plus BC square. So AC square will be equal to AB square is 1 square plus root 7 square. 1 square is 1, root 7 square will be 7. Whenever we are doing the square of any square root value, so square root sign is removed. So here value of AC square will be 8. So value of AC will be your square root of 8. So value of AC is square root of 8. Now we can calculate the value of cosec theta. So cosec theta will be reciprocal of sin theta. Sin theta we are knowing perpendicular upon hypotenuse, that is 1 upon root 8. So cosec theta will be root 8 upon 1, that is root 8. And sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. So cos theta is base upon hypotenuse, that is root 7 upon root 8. So it will come root 8 upon root 7. So root 8 upon root 7. Now we have got the value of cosec theta and sec theta. Now we can put the value in this equation. Now cosec theta square. So root 8 square minus root 8 upon root 7 square upon root 8 square plus root 8 upon root 7 square. So root 8 square will be 8 minus 8 upon 7 upon 8 plus 8 upon 7. Now from here 7 is the LCM. It will come 56 minus 8 upon 7 is the LCM. It will come 56 plus 8. So 56 minus 8, it will be your 56 minus 8 will be your 48 upon 7 upon 56 plus 8 will be 64 upon 7. Now 48 upon 7 reciprocal 7 upon 64. 7 cancel. 16 3s are 48, 16 4s are 64, and we need here 3 by 4 will be equal to RHS, hence root. So in this way we are going to solve some more questions based on trigonometric ratio. Now see another question of trigonometric ratio. Now question number second. So question number second is given as if 15 cot A is equals to 8, find sin A and sec A. So value is given 15 cot A is equals to 8. We have to calculate the value of sin A and sec A. So from here we can calculate the value of cot A is equals to 8 upon 15. So value of cot A is 8 upon 15. We have to calculate the value of sin A and sec A. Now again if we draw here right angle triangle, A Suppose A is the sign, so A we can give it here, B, C. Now we have to calculate first of all cot A. Cot A is, cot value is reciprocal of tan. So tan we are knowing that is perpendicular upon base. So cot, it will become base upon perpendicular. So value of 8 is your base upon perpendicular. Now we apply Pythagoras theorem to calculate the value AC. So when you will apply Pythagoras theorem to calculate the value AC, so it will become 17. You can check also, AC square is equal to BC square plus AB square. So AC square is equal to BC. Value of BC is 15. 15 square plus AB is 8 square. So 225 plus 64 is 289, and value of AC under root of 289 will be 17. So value of AC is 17. Now we can easily calculate sin A. Sin A is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, that is BC upon AC, that is 15 upon 17. Value of sec A. Sec A is reciprocal of cos A. So cos A is base upon hypotenuse, that is 8 upon 17. So reciprocal, it will be 17 upon 8. So AC upon AB 17 upon 8, and these are the answers. So now let us see another question, question number 3rd of trigonometric ratio. Now see here question number 3rd of trigonometric ratio. So question is given as 3 cot theta is equals to 4. Show that 3 cot theta is equals to 2. This value is 2. 3 cot theta is equals to 2. We have to show that 4 sin theta minus 3 cos theta upon 2 cos theta, 4 sin theta minus 3 cos theta upon 2 sin theta. It will be sin theta, 2 sin theta plus 6 cos theta, plus 6 cos theta will be equal to 1 upon 3. Now what we can do here, value of 3 cot theta is equals to 2. So cot theta is equals to 2 by 3. Now see, if we divide numerator and denominator by sin theta. Why we are dividing? Because we are knowing value of cot theta is equals to cos theta upon sin theta. So it will be your quotient rule. So if we divide numerator and denominator by sin theta, so it will become 4 minus 3 cos theta upon sin theta, 2 sin theta cancelled, plus 6 cos theta upon sin theta. Now 4 minus 3 cos theta upon sin theta will be cot theta upon 2 plus 6 cot theta. Now from here 4 minus 3, value of cot theta is 2 by 3 upon 2 plus 6 into cot theta is 2 by 3. 3 cancel, 4 minus 2 will be 2, and 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 2 2 ja 4, 4 plus 2 will be 6, 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6. That is equal to RHS proved. So we have to prove here this equation will be equal to 1 by 3, and at the last we have got the result after solution, that will be equal to 1 by 3, that is equal to RHS. Now see one more question. based on your trigonometric ratio. So question number 4th. Question number 4th is given as, if cos theta is equals to 3 upon 5, then show that sin theta minus cot theta, sin theta minus cot theta upon 2 tan theta is equal to 3 upon 160. So in this question we have to prove sin theta minus cot theta upon 2 tan theta is equals to 3 upon 160. Now cos theta is 3 by 5. So again we will draw here a right angle triangle. Always we will draw a right angle triangle. Theta we can take this angle as theta A, B, C. So cos theta we are knowing that will be your base upon hypotenuse. So base upon hypotenuse. So value of 3 is our base and 5 is hypotenuse. So for calculating AB, we apply here Pythagoras theorem. It will come AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. So value of AC is 5. It will be your 5 square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So 25, 3 square transfer on this side, minus 9 is equals to AB square. 25 minus 9 is 16 is equals to AB square. Value of AB will come here, under root of 16, that is 4. Now we can calculate sin theta. So sin theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, that is 4 upon 5 minus cot theta. Cot theta will be the reciprocal of tan theta. We will write here 2 into tan theta. Tan theta will be perpendicular upon base, that is 4 upon 3. So if tan theta is 4 upon 3, so cot theta will be 3 upon 4. Now from here we will take out the LCM. 4 and 5 LCM is 20. 5 4, 4 4s are 16 minus 4 5, 5 3s are 15. Upon, it will come 8 upon 3. Now 16 minus 15 is 1 upon 20 upon 8 upon 3. So 1 upon 20 into 3 upon 8. So 3 upon 160 is equals to RHS. That is proved. So these are some questions that are based on trigonometric ratio. In my next video I will come with some trigonometric ratios of standard angles and will discuss some of the angles in trigonometry and do some questions based on the angles. Thank you.